Oh my goodness. Here's the herd. Morning Elvis, morning Maybelline. All the way up here in the hill. And doesn't it look like a delightful day? It's not too cold, it's nice and sunny. And then you look at this and you go, uh-oh. All the water. And this is something that we constantly have a fight against, is surface water. We're not winning it, obviously, but lots to think about, lots to do. And it looks like George here has found a post that's been knocked over. So everybody's happy. Woody's having a chew of the tree trunk. Fortunately, it's not a living tree, which is good. And everybody's out and at it. Now, you will notice that Harley and Angus are not here. That's because they're out free ranging on the other side.